example number 4 po tayo. Ito. If f of x is equal to, wait lang, susulat ko siya. Okay. Ay. Nandun yung tanong. If f of x is equal to x squared, plus 1, find, ay, nakakainis. Find f of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h, that where h is not equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin h is any number greater than or less than 0. Hindi siya pwede mag-0. So, sa makatuwid, parang ganito. If f of x is something like that, find f of something. Ang haba eh. Nabanggit ko naman na. Okay, so in this type of problem, we take note of the equations. Meron po tayo ditong f of x plus h. So, meaning, masubstitute tayo ng function na x plus h dun sa original function. Tapos, yung f of x, ito na din yan. No need to resubstitute kasi it's already given in the problem. Na-introduce lang tayo sa panibagong variable that is h. Yan. Okay? So, tapos si h na nasa denominator, meaning ito, yung nasa denominator, another variable lang siya na h. So, parang yung number 2, ganun din, pero may kasama na siyang h. Ano? Sige, something, bigyan natin siya ng solution. So, your f, sorry, nawala. Just a sec. Nakakainis naman yung ballpen kasi. F of x, x plus minus x plus h. Diba, from the original equation, we have x squared plus 1. So, magiging siyang x plus h quantity squared plus 1. So, ganyan. Siya na yun. X squared plus 1 eh. Ano? So, kailangan ba natin i-expand? Sige, payag. Para di na tayo mag-ano mamaya. So, you have here x squared plus 2xh. Tama ba? 2xh plus h squared. Siya na yan. Oh, plus 1. Siyempre. Makalimutan natin si plus 1. Siyempre, hindi. Ayan na. So, now that you have the new function in terms of x plus h, we will substitute this to the equation na nandito. Ano? So, gagawin mo, find f of x plus h minus f of x. Nakakabulol na, no? Over h. Sige, payag. So, you have here, lagyan natin, equal sign, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 1, which is our f of x, guys. Huwag kayo malito. Tinotoon ko lang siya. Ito na yun, yun. Yan. Minus, ano yung f of x? Originally, that's x squared plus 1. So, sulat natin dito. Bracket, x squared plus 1. Yun na yun. Ito na yun. All over malaking denominator tapos h. Yan. So, the function is something like this. Pero again and again, we have to simplify. Kasi ang final answer niyan ay maikli lang. So this will become, tagalin na natin yung malaking bracket, yung mga ano. So that's x squared plus 2x each plus h squared plus 1. Wala naman nagbago, tinanggalan natin yung ano, yung quantity. Minus x squared, and then this one, negative times positive, so that's minus ulit. Minus 1. All over, baba, h. Kaya, yun na, maurag na. May nakikita akong pwede nating i-cancel. So that's x and negative, positive, negative, ano pa? 2x, ito din, c1, pwede na din yan, positive 1, negative 1, tanggal. Okay, tanggalan portion. So this becomes 2x each, tama, plus h squared, all over h. Ang tanong, is that the final answer? I don't think so, since we still have few similar terms, that is h and h squared. Tama. So this will become, pwede pa to, okay pa to, 2x plus h squared divided by h, edi h. Tama na ba? Ito ba ay may sagot, number 8. Pero I think this is the final answer. Ano iba? Charis. Ito na po. So, paki-screenshot na lang. Tapos, balikan nyo ako. If may tanong kayo, message nyo na lang. Ay, nandito yata yung image ko. So, yan. Kasama ako sa picture.